Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. And.
E.
I eat and drink.
Mangio e bevo.
But.
Ma.
I want to go, but I'm tired.
Voglio andare, ma sono stanco.
Or.
Ho.
Tea or coffee?
Tè o caffè?
Because.
Perché?
I stay because it's late.
Resto perché è tardi.
If.
Se.
If it rains, I stay.
Se piove, resto.
When.
Quando?
Call me when you arrive.
Chiamami quando arrivi.
While.
Mentre.
I listen while I work.
Ascolto mentre lavoro.
Although.
Anche se.
Although it's cold, I go out.
Anche se fa freddo, esco.
Until.
Finché.
Wait until I come back.
Aspetta finché non torno.
Since.
Dal.
I've been here since 2026.
Sono qui dal 2026.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.